coconut curry chicken with some jasmine rice. What an easy meal to make on a work day week. You know, you're coming off of work and you're just trying to get something really quick like I do. Y'all see, I'm still in my work clothes, honey. You come home, you want to get something quick, some curry coconut chicken is the way to go, all right? So I'm gonna show you how I put this meal together real quick. So I have my chicken breast here, right? I'm gonna add my salt and my black pepper to taste to it, right? Once I get that seasoned well, I'm gonna go ahead and add my curry powder in there, right? From there, I'm gonna go on over to my stove. I'm gonna go ahead and lightly brown those chicken on all sides, right? I'm gonna put them away in their own little container to the side because I'm gonna have all that nice, whatever they call that thing at the bottom of the pot once you brown that meat, right? I'm gonna have that there. I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic and my ginger. I wanna pick up all those little bottom scrapings off the pot. Just a couple seconds, right? Just to get those flavors incorporated. And then from there, go ahead and add our coconut milk, honey. Add your coconut milk to it. That's where I say I may or may not add both cans. I may add 1 can or 1.5 can. I'm gonna eye it, right? To see how much I wanna add in it. So it just depends on you, how much liquid you want out of it, right? So I'm gonna add a can and a half at first and see how that's going. And then if I wanna add some more liquid to it, I'll go ahead and do that, honey, all right? So once I go ahead and add that coconut milk, I wanna see it come to like a little boil. I don't want it to boil crazily because it's milk and it's gonna boil over your stove and your stove gonna get messed up, right? So we're gonna go ahead and get it to like a little light boil. From there, I'm gonna add my chicken back into the pot, right? And let that go for a good 30 minutes covered. Let it be covered for about another 30 minutes, right? In like 15 minutes, go ahead and open up that pot lid and stir it in between, you know, just watch your pot. Make sure that coconut milk is not boiling over, all right? All right, so I have about 2.5 to 3 pounds of chicken breast here. Over here, I have some curry. For this amount of chicken breast, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of curry powder for this meal. Salt is gonna be to taste. So you put as much salt in your chicken as you like. The same with the pepper, okay? So I got some black pepper here to taste, your salt and black pepper to taste. For my ginger, right, I have about 2 tablespoons of ginger here, and I have the same right around the garlic, about 2 tablespoons here, and just a little extra because you know I just love my garlic, right? And then for cilantro, the same, about 2 tablespoons, and that's to garnish at the end, okay? And then I have me some coconut milk here. I have 2 cans. I may or may not use both cans. I may use 1.5 can. I'm just gonna eye it to see, okay? All right, guys, so let's get into it. I'm gonna get this chicken seasoned up, get it on the stove, and get everything incorporated. Let's make this curry coconut chicken. All right, y'all seen how I season my meat? I love to touch my meat. I play with it like that, pat them, make sure I pat in my seasoning like that. And so I'm just gonna let it just sit for just a couple minutes, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and get my oil nice and warm, like a medium high. I don't want it scorching hot and then stuff is just popping all over the place, right? So I'm just gonna get it to like a medium high heat. Put me some olive oil in my pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these lightly browned on all sides. Come to the stove with me, boo. All right, turn your stove to about medium high. And we're gonna go ahead and add a couple tablespoons of oil to this pan. We're not deep frying the chicken, we're just going to lightly brown it. So about a good 2 tablespoons of oil would do. And let's go ahead and get that hot. Got our oil nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add our chicken in there. Yummy! This chicken sure look good. boy, we sizzling right along, right? We have this curry coconut chicken that I'm making, y'all, and it's outstanding, right? This kitchen is smelling up so good. I cannot wait to get this down in my throat, y'all. I'm so excited for this curry chicken. So guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so when I pump out another video, something like this, honey, you'll be first to be notified, right? But I also wanted to come to y'all with a little story time today, right? All y'all know that I'm in real estate, right? That's my business, right? I want to know how many of y'all own your own business as well, right? And how, or do you guys ever get asked to lower what you're asking someone to pay you for your services, right? So when you're working for yourself, you know that whatever you make is what you make, right? And if you don't make anything, then guess what? You don't make anything, right? But a lot of times when, well, at least I feel that way, when you're in business, people always want you to discount your services like you just a discounted person, right? But when you're in business for yourself, you cannot go around just discounting everything, because then you're going to be out of business, right? So I just want to know from y'all, right? Does that happen in your business, that people always want you to discount your services even though you give the best service out there? Let's have that conversation, all right? So I just got finished flipping over these beauties. I'm gonna get ready to take this batch out, right? And I'm gonna add my last batch, because I batched them, right? Because it was too much to do at once. So I did it in 3 batches. And I'm gonna go ahead and take out this second batch, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my last batch in there, guys. It smells so good. That curry smells so good, y'all. Ooh. And then when I add that ginger and that garlic to it, oh, don't talk to me. Oh, it's so good. It smells so good in here. Daniel, how do it smell in here?
It smells good, so
That's my little wingman. Y'all know he ain't never too far away from me. Yeah, he ain't little no more. He ain't little Daniel no more. He ain't no little Daniel no more.
oh man.
That's my guy. That's my guy. Yeah, we cooking, shawty. We almost there, shawty. All right, so let's go ahead and turn over our last batch here. Browning up so beautifully. And guys, once I take out this last batch of chicken, what you're gonna see, I'm gonna take out some of the oil out of the pot, right? Because it's too much oil that I wanna saute my onion and ginger in, right? So I'll take out some of this oil, put it to the side, and go ahead and saute that ginger and garlic in here, okay? What I'm gonna also do is turn the stove down to probably more so a medium temperature now, right? Because I definitely do not want that garlic and the ginger to burn, right? So I'm being mindful of that, being mindful. So this is how much oil I have in there right now. And I feel within my heart it's too much. So I'm just gonna get some of it out, a little bit more out, okay. Make sure I get the oil, don't want to start no fire. Yeah, that's them little bits I was telling you about. You see that? You see that? Those little bits and crannies in there? That's flavor, honey. That's flavor. Flavor, 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 flavor. You know, back in my day, they say I could sing. I could hold a little tune, a little note. Y'all believe that? Just add my ginger and my garlic to that. Right. And then them little chicken pieces that was left in the pot, I'm gonna add those in the bowl. I'm gonna add them little chicken pieces, right? No chicken goes to waste. And so like real quick, y'all, I'm just gonna just hit this ginger and garlic in here just for a little marrying of the two spices. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start adding our coconut milk. So like I said, I'm gonna start out with 1 can first, eyeball it to my consistency. And then remember, we're gonna be cooking this, so it's going to go ahead and evaporate some, right? All right. That smells so good. It smells so good in here, y'all. It smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and get this covered up, y'all. And once it gets to a boil, like a nice little simmer boil for me, like I said, I don't want it to roll and boil over my pot. Then I'm gonna add our chicken back in there, all right? Let this thing boil. All right, so all these little great little droppings that we have all up in here, all that. I'm gonna go ahead, let me see if I can hold that properly and get all that good flavor back in that pot. Yes, ma'am, sir, hello. Hello, taking y'all to Flavor Town. All right, now let's get into stirring it. Take your time and just stir it, right? Just to get all your chicken coated in this beautiful gold looking specimen of curry and coconut. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Coconut curry chicken. My gosh. My gosh. All right, y'all. I'm gonna cover him back up and I'm gonna let him go for about 15 minutes or about 10 minutes. I like to just come back and check my pot. So probably in 3 increments of 10 minutes and then it'll be done, right? So I'll come back in 10 minutes, check it, stir it around a little bit more and do it like 2 more times like that, right? Let's get into it, y'all. I can't wait. All right, then I'm gonna open this. Look at that beauty, y'all. Oh my goodness gracious, look at this. Look at this. Oh, beauty, beauty, beauty. My gravy is thickened up just the way I like it. And y'all saw when I added that Scotch bonnet pepper, I kept him whole though. I ain't break him off in there. But look at that, look how beautiful that is. Look at that, y'all. Served on top of a bed of rice. Let's get into it, y'all. And we made this rice according to the bag instruction. You know, you added some salt and some oil to this rice. Some nice jasmine rice, y'all. Coconut curry chicken, y'all, with jasmine rice. Like, I made my rice according to the bag, right? But y'all seen how I did this chicken, y'all. And it came out absolutely what I wanted it to be. The sauce thickened up, right? Because you saw I put a whole 1.5 cans of that coconut milk in there. And that sauce went ahead and thickened up for us. Don't mind that separation that you see, the oil is separating from the coconut milk. That happens. We have a dish in Jamaica called rundown, and we purposely cook our coconut milk all the way out till it comes into oil form. So don't be surprised if you start seeing your coconut milk separate a little bit. Give that pot a little shake. Stir that thing around and get it all back incorporated, right? So this coconut curry shrimp, I'm sorry, not shrimp, honey. You could make this with some shrimp, but it's chicken I did today. So this curry, this coconut curry chicken that I made today was so simple. I came home from work. I had to get this thing done quickly. Cubed up that chicken breast, got that seasoning on it, put it in that pot and got it a quick light sear to it, right? Went ahead and added that ginger and that garlic into that pan. My kitchen smelled up so beautifully, y'all. Tell me how your kitchen smell. And then after that, I added my 1.5 cans of coconut milk and let that thing simmer. I know I said between 15 to 30 minutes. That's your choice. I went for 17 minutes because I saw that my gravy started to thicken up a whole lot around that 15 to 17 minutes. And that was good for me. I know my meat is cooked because, you know, we pre-cooked it a little bit, honey, before we added all that other juice to it. So without further ado, I wanna sink into this. I gotta sink into this. Some of this curry sauce is what I wanna try first. Ooh, wee! Daniel is sitting right there and I wanna tell him to come taste this so bad. Baby. And I had added that Scotch bonnet pepper in there too, right? So I'm gonna mix this gravy up with my rice. Oh my goodness gracious. And I'm tasting all the coconut and ginger. Oh my God. Boys, y'all gonna enjoy this. Y'all enjoying this, Daniel. Y'all are for sure going, wait, let me taste my chicken before you come taste it. Hold on. Oh my God. Get into it. And that habanero pepper, that Scotch bonnet pepper, oh my gosh. Kicked it up even a whole nother notch. Oh, ain't that good? Nah, hold on, bro. Let me finish my thing. I got you. Y'all heard it out the horse's mouth. Y'all heard him. It's good, y'all. And I'm not even kidding just because I made it. I keep on telling y'all, it's not just because I made it, it's good. It's good because it's good. So this, coconut curry chicken, y'all gotta try this. And it's so juicy. It's so juicy. Don't worry about your chicken breast gonna be overcooked. No, it's not. It's so full of flavor and it's still juicy, all right? And to pair with it, guys, I went ahead and I got me some watermelon juice. So here in Jacksonville, we have some stands that be on the side of the road. Honey, I did a U-turn. I seen them out there because you know it's starting to warm up here in the Florida market, honey. The Florida market is warming up and I wheeled my car back around, got out there and I was like, let me get the watermelon and the mango. I would have had my mango with this. However, it was drank while I was working. Somebody went in the refrigerator and took my mango, but it's all right. I still have the watermelon here, y'all. Oh, y'all know I'm finna get into it, all the way into it. So thank you guys for always tuning in with your girl Kay in her kitchen, honey. And today, this coconut curry chicken is gonna be a staple in your house because I know my boys and my husband is about to devour it, right? So as I always say, tune in, hit that like button, that notification bell, and share it. Let somebody else know about these great recipes that I'm doing, all right? So be good to each other, take care of yourselves, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, till next time. Bye, y'all.